Hello guys, welcome back to another video. And I am shooting videos after a long time because there is a technical issue in my area and I am facing network problem in my area, so I have not uploaded any videos. So I am facing 2G network issue in my area. Right now there is a little bit okay, that's why I am uploading video today. And in today's video I am unboxing this True Wireless earbuds which are under 1000 rupees. So I have also ordered one more time, but due to some sound problems I have replaced this same product. So this is the replaced one, and if you want previous one then I will show you that previous products video at the end of this video. So let me cut this. Here you will see bill, and this is the box packaging of this earphones. And here, as you can see guys, this is the total price of this earbuds, and here as you can see the price of this earbuds. Let me take this bill aside and let me show you what are the more contents inside this box. So here there is nothing inside this box, so let me keep it aside. So here they have used some replaced bubble sheet with this new one, so I don't think it will give full protection to internal products. So a lot of time I have seen inside products are broken, so which are made from plastic. So let me cut this. So let me explain the feature of this. So here you will see truly wireless, and here you can pair instantly and it will fit properly in your ears. And here you will see the deep bass. So in previous earbuds I faced bass issue, that's why I have replaced it. So here you will see the 500 mAh charging case. I will show you later that. And here you can see this more features of this ROM. So here you will see type C 1 and Bluetooth version 5.0, charging time 90 minutes, and headphone battery is 40 mAh and battery case is 500 mAh. So this is the battery case, its capacity is around 500 mAh. So I have ordered black color, and I don't know, it says made in China, but no problem, we have to use no matter where the product made from. So it is compatible with all of iOS and Android devices. So let me cut this box and let me open the internal contents guys. So let me cut it by help of a blade. So here I have cutted it, and let me remove this flip with my nails. So they have completely sealed it without entering air. So let me open this guys. So first you will see the warranty card. So I don't think you will see service centers in your area or anywhere. I have searched in Google, but I didn't find any service center of these earphones or earbuds, whatever you say. And here you will see, I think, one more user manual. So let me open it. So here you will see the type C cable guys. So here as you can see, this is type C1. Here is type A. So here by this cable you can charge your earphones, and inside you will see there is nothing inside this box. Let me keep it aside. And this is user manual. So here you will see the instructions for pairing the earpods. So here you can see the buttons, etc here. So let me discuss about this. So this is the packaging guys, this is the box of the earbuds, and there is nothing inside this. So when previously I have ordered the product, in that one I saw this package is completely broken. I don't know, it got pressed while getting delivered. So right now I don't think this will give me any problem. So I am hoping good things from this. So I will pair it to my mobile phone and I will tell you. So here there is no charging in this earbuds. So let me connect it through my mobile phone, then I will tell you. So here as you can see, this is the box content, and here is your type C port. From here you can charge your Bluetooth, and this is LED indicator, so that you will be able to know whether your Bluetooth device is fully charged or not. So the case is very small, so you can hold in your hand, so like this. So you can remove this or you can replace this, and it is not magnetic guys. So here your earphones are magnetic, as you can see. So I think these are the used earphones guys. So here you are unable to see the brand name. So I don't know whether it is used product or not. So I will test it and I will give you the review, guys.